This is the Des Moines Public Works Department's first line of defense before the snow starts to fall.
Right now is we're just doing a salt brining operation.
The salt brining solution will go down on all 17 snow routes, all 40 districts, all hills, and all intersections in Des Moines.
We put the brine application down so we don't have the snowpack. The brining, what that does is allows us to plow the snow off on a first pass and pushes the snow off completely so we can get down to bare pavement.
While the salt brine solution is being spread,
we're also putting on all of our cutting edges, checking all of our equipment to make sure that everything is up to par based on the fact that we haven't had a whole lot of snow yet this year.
That lack of snow has done two things. It has not come close to exhausting the city's snow removal budget, so any funds saved will go into other public works projects. The lack of snow also has public works drivers eager and ready to get to work.
They're really prepared and they're looking forward to coming out and actually taking care of the city of Des Moines.